cleaned it. Jeez, oh, you'll charge me for that as well.
We've got other companies that have body kits as well, but you know, I would prefer my own.
Why have burger when you could have steak?
There you go, sir. That's the thumbnail.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog at Enkahnz HQ, and behind me we have Frank the Butcher's Defender 110.
Yeah, I am, yeah. I'm a tough man on you.
The reason why this car is here is not to get customized, guys. It's not good news. And actually, you know what? Let me just show you. You can see the Falcon rear bumper. Keep coming, guys. You can see the exhaust tips. And now let's just go straight to the middle. He's absolutely ruined the car, guys. What can I say, Frank? Shocking, disappointed. And you know what, Frank? I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed at all. There's a reason why. Look at the damage, guys. Okay, understandable. He's damaged it, it happens. We all make mistakes. We're human after all. But funny thing is, he's left all the damaged parts here as well. They're no good. They can go straight in the bin. Look at this. You've got the sensors and wiring looms, luckily all intact. Hopefully all the sensors are there, nothing's missing. Got a reverse light there, and the rest of the debris, the rest of the damage. That is why the car's here. And now the fun begins. What's this? Cobwebs. Cobwebs on the Defender. Forget that. Look at this one. This is even bigger. Look at that big spider web there. Huge. All right, forget that one as well. Have a look at this one over here. Right there. All right, forget that one. Have a look at this one. Around the spare show wheel. Over here. Forget that side as well. Have a look at this side. Over here. All in there. Look at that. That's huge. Is there any on the spare wheel? Oh, there actually is. Look at this. It gets better. It gets better, guys. It gets better. Look at all that. On the show wheel. Right there. I'm not sure if the camera can capture it. Look at all inside the show wheel. It's like Halloween's come early. Shocking, Frank. Absolutely shocking. That's just the least of the worries. Let's go around the car. What else have we got? Look at this. Look at all this dirt. You got bird droppings all in the storage box, Frank. Look at the doors. Not in a good condition, is it? Look at this. Look at all this dirt here. Look at all these marks. More cobwebs. Look at this. All there. Look at this. Look at all that. Look at this. Over here. It's as if he's whacked the back bumper and thought, you know what? I'm just going to park it on my driveway and just forget about my worries. Must be going through a tough time, our Frank. Bless him. And more cobwebs. This car's filthy, Frank. You should be representing. I thought you were a brand ambassador for Barugzai. What's the poultry company called?
Oh, Barugzai meat.
You're not a good role model here, are you? This is meant to be setting the precedent. When people look at this car, it should be turning heads. But right now, it needs a good clean, good detail, and we need to get that back bumper fixed. Look at all these marks on the door. Don't know what that is. More cobwebs. More cobwebs. What's all this, Frank? Hey, look at the state of that wheel. Badly curbed. Over here as well. Here, 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 here. Thought Frank would be a good driver. Remember when Frank came to collect the car and he goes to Frank Senior? Is Frank Senior going to be driving the Defender?
No.
Go on, Frank.
Drop me round the bend.
Frank Senior was disappointed, but Frank, what's going on, mate? Thought you were a good driver, a safe driver. You've been curbing all the wheels, pal. Let's have a look at the other side wheels, see if they're curbed as well. Whoa, 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 That is horrendous. Look at that, guys. Not impressed. I mean, only having a little bit of banter, Frank, don't worry. We'll get your car sorted for you, mate. When you come collect it, I'm sure we'll have a good laugh. So, that's all the whinging and complaining all done. Now, let's get this car into the workshop and fully restored. How's it going, Ronnie? Nice to meet you, mate.
Nice to meet you, my friend.
Ronnie from Selby, and he's just bought a brand new Defender 90. Very good number plate.
Thank you.
It's the Defender 90. Got the 90 there.
Yeah,
and
man.
then RF, what does that stand for?
Ronnie Finney.
Ronnie Finney. What a number plate. That will be worth some serious bucks. A lot of money, that number plate. And here he is, his second Defender of the year.
Second Defender this year, yes.
So he bought one earlier in March, which we customised, and then he's bought another brand new one, dropped off today. So you received it today?
We literally received it when we was on the phone, and then we jumped straight in it and brought it straight here.
Wow, so it's literally only got delivery mileage. I think it's got 84 miles on the clock. Brand new car. And why would you want to get it customised, Ronnie?
To make it a lot nicer, to pimp it up,
Yep.
make it a little bit more sharper.
Very good, very good. So on this car, do you want to run us through what we're going to be doing to it?
I believe they're going to put some new wheels on it.
Yep.
We're going to be putting the side steps on it.
Yep.
And the wheel arches.
Correct.
And the light bar at the front and the spoilers on the rear.
Don't forget the mud flaps.
The mud flaps front and rear, that's correct, yeah.
So for all the viewers out there, Ronnie, what do you do for work?
We're in the holiday park leisure industry over at Bridlington.
Very good. So
Bridlington Holiday Park.
holiday parks. Right, guys, if you're from Bridlington or anywhere around the UK and you're looking for a holiday park, Ronnie's the man. Check him out, check out his website, and he'll hook you up with a very, very good holiday park. So Defender's here, let's crack on and waste no time, and hopefully this car will be ready very, very soon. So first thoughts, do you want diamond cut or do you want full black?
I think we'll go for diamond cut.
Diamond cut, yeah?
Yeah.
Like a bit of bling bling?
Bit of bling bling, yeah.
Okay, interesting. Who's going to make the call?
We'll get Jade to make the call when she comes.
Right.
Come on, Jade.
Come on.
She's embarrassed. Come on, you're going on YouTube, you'll be all right. So we've got 6 holes here, Jade. Starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Which one are we going for? 4 it is.
Good choice. That is probably the most Defender, like the most common one we put on Defenders.
Okie dokie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice, that will do. Perfect.
Thank you very much. Pleasure. And a fast turnaround. Super fast turnaround. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Perfect, brilliant. Take care on the other safe journey, mate. Hi guys, that was Ronnie there in a mega rush as usual, and he needs to shoot off to Morley. It's 5:50 at the moment, not 5:50, sorry, 4:50, and he wants to avoid the rush hour traffic. So he's quickly shot off. Unfortunately, couldn't do a reveal. It's raining at the moment as well, and it's quite dark, so it's quite difficult to see all the modifications and stuff, but I'm sure we managed to get a few B-rolls before he drove off. So that's it, guys, that was Ronnie with his brand new Defender 90 fully customised. Yes, Frank, how's it going, mate?
Come on, Frank.
No, Tommy, I have to be back on here.
Where's the four-legs? Where's the four-legs?
This is how bad it is now, boys. I'm dressed like this to afford your stuff.
They're the kind of guys that got the money.
The low-key ones,
Listen, all those that drip like Louis Vuitton and all that kind of stuff, mate. Trust me.
I had to sell the Rolex. I'm now on an Apple, mate. That's how bad it's got.
What's that guy called? That richest man in the world? Elon Musk, and that other one, Microsoft owner.
Bill Gates.
Bill Gates, come on. That's level that I'm talking, mate.
He's been grafting at work. He's barely had a chance to even pick up any phone calls, nothing.
Exactly. I'm stuck behind the gates. That's right. I am.
He's printing all the money.
Printing all the dollars.
Do you know what I mean?
Where's the stakes?
I hope you mocked him on his Land Rover Defender. Do you know what I mean?
Just a bit, yeah.
Has he got that Hermes handbag with him to put on money? Look at that. Real leather.
Just cobwebs in there, mate.
That's real. That leather only comes from some next part of the world, honestly.
Finest.
Right, anyway, Frank, your Land Rover Defender, we've redone it again, brought it back to life, put some energy into it for another, probably last another 3 years on the road, wait before you smack it or scratch it again.
You see the state of the car?
I've got to say, it is.
That bollard came out of nowhere. I swear.
Forget the bollard, mate. What's going on inside the car?
Yeah.
There's no bollards there because it is quite filthy.
That must be the missus or the kids.
Well, your missus, if you're watching this, please try to keep the car clean. Or the kids, more important, not the missus. Keep the car clean. Because that car, honestly,
Listen to him.
It hurt me when I saw that car and I looked, I thought, oh my God. Like, I mean, it's only your sidecar, isn't it? Your proper one's, what is it, Bugatti?
A van. It's a Max's van.
We'll talk about that later on. But anyway, it's all done, transformed. Dawood's been on this car proper, but we've had a little bit of a backlog because Land Rover have got a major issue, cyber attack.
Yeah. Really, yeah.
You must have heard about it.
Yeah, well, this man keeping me updated.
Well, we've had a cyber attack and we've had a bit of a delay on parts. We've got a few Range Rovers in the workshop that are waiting parts, but Land Rover cannot do anything. Anyway, your car's done.
Good man. I've just sold you another one. I think they've looked at mine and gone, I want another one of them. So I'll take commission. I'm taking commission.
They did like your car. They did see one previously when they came as well. They did say that they want to put that body kit on. But when they came back this time and then
it's game over.
They were like, yeah, you know what, we need to do it. But I'm not sure. They're going to get something to eat. They're going to relax, calm down, and see if I can twist his arm a little bit.
Yeah, definitely. I've been putting in good words for you. I've said it's reliable, quality.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. But anyway, on that note, let's go do the reveal 2.0.
Here we go.
Here we go. Look at that. No more cobwebs.
Cleaned it. Jeez. Oh, you'll charge me for that as well.
Pretty clean.
You'll charge me for that as well. Was that the scuff always on that alloy?
Which one? Yeah, of course it was.
Oh, I'm pretty sure that's a new one, I think.
Horrendous driving.
Yeah, probably could have been. She's back.
She's back.
She's back, baby.
Version 2.0, looking fresh.
Literally new.
Freshly chopped up.
New back, literally.
That's what it is, mate.
New back bumper. Lovely.
How did it happen then? Give us a story. How did it happen?
Well, I was thinking and dreaming about meat as usual, and selling to the good customers of it, the UK, and I'm reversing back, and the bollard came out of nowhere, and it's even got all the alarms, and I just heard it at the last minute and went bush.
Your man's looking for his steak and his lamb chops.
Not up here.
Yeah.
Put price up 500 quid.
Can it go up anymore?
Steak.
But are they halal?
Yeah, he's got separate halal. He's got
Yeah.
halal.
Are you sure? Did you say that? But they're not.
No, he said he has. He looks like a man of his word.
I am, yeah. I've got all the certs, boys. I've all the certs.
He said he's separate. He printed them off himself.
All the Muslim restaurants in Bradford and around Yorkshire, if you want some high quality, is it Welsh meat?
Midlands, North English, British,
Okay, British
good quality.
Not Welsh.
meat.
Not
Leave
Scottish.
the Welsh out of it.
English. Proper. Eating on the high altitude in the mountains.
Everything is beautiful.
Peak District.
Yeah.
But we
Eating
don't
fresh
know.
grass.
We don't know because we've never tasted it, have we?
That's true. That's true.
Most
And
customers,
It's halal.
You're
fries.
always welcome down to my factory, gentlemen.
unfortunately, we can't cook in the factory.
No, you can't.
Imran's not allowed outside of Bradford.
That's true.
He's got a tracker on him. He's not allowed. That's the furthest he's gone. But anyway, we're looking forward to that. But anyway, Frank, what kind of reviews have you had on the car?
Let me just check the finish.
Not that one, mate. The finish is spectacular, I'll tell you that. What kind of feedback have you had on the car when people drive the car?
Yeah, everyone loves it. Everyone looks at it and goes, "What is that?" And I go,
Can they pronounce the name right?
"I'll give it a go." Barugzai.
Well, the people, can they pronounce it right?
No chance, no. And I go look at their stuff. It is the best on the market.
Thank you, sir. Just like your meat. There you go, mate. You know, that's how we do it, Frank. But anyway,
Combo.
Just make sure it stays clean, especially the kids that are watching. We'll sit in the back, keep it clean.
They've got
Honestly, it did
respect
really hurt
good
me.
quality
But
cars.
this car, the amount of work that you've done on it, the amount of money that you spent on it as well, obviously it deserves to be taken care of. Just like James's Range Rover. I mean, it's like brother and sister, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Little lovely marriage that is.
Exactly. Yeah, well, they've also got another Defender actually they've come down in, which is over there. We've put some spoilers on it. And it's got a previous body kit from another styling company, and they want to change it to the Barugzai Falcon. That's what they want to do. So James wants his wife's car looking just like Frank's car. But listen, you're miles apart. You're never going to bump into each other. We do like to make cars different. We want to be unique, not like the commercial body kits that are available out in the market. We're like a boutique at Barugzai.
I'm happy to represent.
Thank you, sir. So he's taxed that cap, by the way. Right? He deserves that cap. No worries, you're representing. But look at that. It does look spectacular. I would say, in humble as well, it's probably one of the best body kits out there for a Defender. Yeah. Does look really nice. I mean, we've got other companies that have body kits as well, but there's not much of a body kit. Does look nice, don't get me wrong. All of them are nice, but it's, you know, I would prefer my own. But not only that, I've got an eye for style design, and I personally think that works really well. And you've got a good choice in body kits as well.
True, mate.
Proof's in the pudding there.
Why have burger when you could have steak?
There you go, sir. That's the thumbnail. Why have a burger when you can have steak? I like that one, mate. Right.
Right, let's talk about discounts. Let's go.
Let's go. Right. I'm off.